Welcome back to Percepta series on the Microsoft Project desktop app. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and save a new template project in Microsoft Project. This will help you set up a reusable structure for your projects to save time and maintain consistency. Once Microsoft Project is launched, click on More Templates. You'll see a variety of templates available. For example, there's a waterfall project template for traditional phase-based planning and a sprints project template designed for agile teams. For this training, select the Simple Project Plan template. Then click Create. Microsoft Project will generate a basic project plan with a few sample tasks and a Gantt chart view. Next, set your project start date. For this example, we'll set it to today. Now click on Task 1. In the pop-up window that appears, update the name to Test Task 1. Then click OK. You'll now see your updated task name reflected in the task list. Once your changes are made, it's time to save your project. Click File, then Save As. You can save it as a regular project file or as a project template. If you'd like to reuse the structure in the future, choose your file name, pick your save location, and click Save. And that's it. You've just created and saved a new template project in Microsoft Project. Thank you for watching our Creating and Saving a New Template Project in Microsoft Project video. See you next time.